Imagine sitting at your desk, books open, highlighter in hand. Hours pass, but somehow nothing really sticks. You reread the same page again and again, yet when it's time for a test, your mind goes completely blank. Sound familiar? Now here's the truth no one tells you. It's not that you're not smart, it's that you've been using the wrong study methods. Every year, top students aren't just working harder, they're working smarter. And what if I told you that with just a few powerful techniques, you could study less, understand more, and actually remember what you learn? In this video, I'm going to show you 7 proven study techniques used by high-performing students around the world. Techniques inspired by creators like Ali Abdaal and Thomas Frank, but explained in a way that fits your daily student life. So whether you're preparing for exams, struggling to focus, or just tired of forgetting everything you study, this video might completely change the way you learn. Let's get into it. 1. Active recall. Test yourself like you're in an exam. If you've ever watched Ali Abdaal, you've probably heard this. Stop rereading, start recalling. Imagine you just finished a physics lesson. Close your notebook and try to explain the concept out loud, like you're teaching a friend. That struggle you feel, that's your brain growing. Instead of passively reading notes again and again, turn your study into a mini test. For example, after class, write down 5 questions from memory and answer them. This technique mirrors real exam conditions, making you more confident and prepared. 2. Pomodoro technique. Study like you manage your time data. Inspired by productivity methods often discussed on Thomas Frank, the Pomodoro technique is simple. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Think of it like charging your phone. You don't wait until 0% to recharge. As a student, instead of studying 5 hours straight and getting tired, break your time into focused sessions. For example, you can study math for 25 minutes, rest, then switch to chemistry. This keeps your brain fresh and prevents burnout. 3. Feynman technique. Teach like a teacher. This method is inspired by Richard Feynman and is widely shared by creators like Khan Academy. Imagine you're explaining a topic to a younger student or even your sibling. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. For example, after learning about thermodynamics, try explaining it in simple words without using complex formulas. This forces you to identify gaps in your understanding and fix them. 4. Spaced repetition. Don't cram, revisit smartly. Many students study everything the night before exams, but that rarely works. As explained in videos by med school insiders, spaced repetition means reviewing information over time. For example, revise today's lesson tomorrow, then after 3 days, then after a week. It's like watering a plant regularly instead of flooding it once. This technique helps move information from short-term memory to long-term memory, which is exactly what you need for exams. 5. Interleaving. Mix subjects like real-life problems. Instead of studying one subject for hours, mix them. This idea is often discussed in learning science videos similar to those from Crash Course. In real life, problems are not labeled math or physics, they require mixed thinking. For example, you can solve math problems, then switch to physics, then chemistry. This trains your brain to adapt and improves problem-solving skills. 6. Blurting method. Empty your brain on paper. This technique is becoming popular in student communities online. After studying a topic, take a blank paper and write everything you remember, no notes allowed. Then compare with your notes and fill the gaps. It's like downloading everything from your brain. For example, after a biology lesson, write all key points you recall. This method reveals what you truly know versus what you only recognize when reading. 7. Environment design. Your study space shapes your focus. Creators like Matt D'Avella often emphasize this. Your environment affects your productivity. If your phone is next to you, distractions will win. If your desk is clean, your mind feels clear. For example, create a specific study corner, remove distractions, and keep only what you need: books, pen, and maybe water. Think of it like preparing a football field before a match. You perform better in the right environment. Studying is not about how long you sit with your books. It's about how smart you use your time. Try just one of these techniques today, and your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because small actions like these help more students discover smarter ways to learn. Remember, success in school is not about studying all the time. It's about studying the right way. Start applying even one of these techniques today, and you'll begin to see the difference. Let me know in the comments, which study technique are you going to try first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.